All right, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and we're going to open up a different laptop here. This laptop's going to be a Dell Precision 7720 laptop. It's pretty simple to get into it because there's no screws that you need to necessarily use. There's just this pin right here. You just open and this simply comes off. So if you need to get to the hard drive or the power pack, there's the power pack right there. There's the hard drive right there, which I'm going to take off. In case you have one of these and you're kind of nervous about opening it or you want to see what's inside it, I might as well just show you while I'm doing it. If you may know or not know from my previous videos, I open a lot of laptops and take the hard drives out of them and destroy the hard drives or punch them. It's called punch them. So there's a device that comes down and basically puts a hole right in the middle of them. So they're useless. So the information can't be used, and then they get locked up and shipped off to another company that breaks them down, destroys them. And I don't know what they exactly do with them. I'm assuming they just melt them down, I'm assuming. And a lot of stuff that we have around here is basically recycled, and I'm sure the parts are probably used for, I don't know, for resale. I'm not really sure what the hell happens to them, or they get melted down, or the other are recycled. So, yeah, if you got a bad hard drive, want to replace a hard drive, this is basically what you do. I'm just unscrewing it, and then I think I got all the screws. Just grab this and maybe I don't. Oh, no, there's another screw right there, I think. All right, I got to start wearing glasses to work, at least readers, because it's time. Almost 52 years old, and I guess my vision isn't as good as it used to be. So there we go. So just pull. All right, and then you got some screws on the side here. You got unscrew. So I'll just get these unscrewed. And then we might take that power pack out of there just to show you. If you got a bad power pack and you want to replace that, at least they make it really easy. And the 7720s, I'm reading it off the screen because I had to put it up there as a reminder. And at least they make it easy for these particular units to go ahead and replace hard drive and the power pack. I'm not sure if you want to add like RAM or something to it. Seems to be maybe a little more in depth, but not doing that today. So it's just not a RAM, how to add RAM tutorial. This was how to get to your hard drive and replace it tutorial. All right, so take the hard drive out and just put your new hard drive in. And then you just put this back, put the screws back, and make sure it plugs into. Sorry, obviously make sure it plugs into this your hard drive. Make sure it plugs into that. So your PC is reading something. So we'll put this back, babies. Oh my lord. All right, and then we've got the power pack. So I'm not really quite sure how you get this out of here, to tell you the truth. But let's fire around for a minute and see. Oh, okay. All right. So in order to get the power pack out of there, you just got to bring this way over in order to replace it. And then you just put your new power pack in there. And it snaps in place like that. All right. And then just put this. Pretend you put your hard drive back there. We'll just pretend, and that snaps in place as well. All right. And then you put this back on there. So that's pretty easy. Again, that's the Dell Precision 7720 laptop. I'm going to do this real quick. Usually I like to make my videos 10 minutes, just in case I ever get monetized. I can monetize this particular video, but I'll give this one a pass because I don't want to waste time and waste your time. So thank you guys and gals and guys. Please subscribe and share this video if you could. Please like. I would appreciate that. And then there's that bell thing if you want updates for all my videos that come out. I do a variety of things. You're supposed to, when you do a YouTube channel, you're supposed to have a niche and stick to it, but I never do anything I'm supposed to do, so why start now? All right, gals and guys, I thank you. I appreciate you as always, and I will talk to you later.
Meet the world's most powerful mobile workstations, and the first that's VR ready, the Dell Precision 7720. 7th Gen Intel Core or Xeon processors bring powerhouse performance to your biggest ideas. Tackle any task with professional-grade graphics with up to 16 gigabytes of dedicated memory. Plus, they support up to 64 gigabytes of 2400 megahertz ECC and non-ECC memory, and up to 32 gigabytes of super speed 2667 megahertz memory. The vivid displays boast up to 8 million pixels on the optional 4K UHD 100% Adobe Color Gamut panel. You'll finish projects with time to spare thanks to your system's prime, powerful components, plus up to 4 terabytes of storage and long battery life. It's everything you need to make your biggest ideas come to life.
You're getting Dell. Dude, a lot can happen in 20 years. Like, Dell got really into recycling. They'll take everything from desktops to batteries. Just go online, print out this label, and send in your stuff. Because all great things can make a comeback. Dude, you gotta recycle.
You ever watch the end of like a Marvel movie, Marvel Comics movie, and they play some of the credits, and then they have like this short little scene, like a little bonus scene afterwards? That's what this is. So totally unrelated to opening these laptops is to the fact that YouTube, when you monetize, your video has to be, I believe, 8.5 minutes. It used to be 10 minutes, and I think they dropped it to 8.5 minutes. So I am putting a bonus feature at the end of this video specifically for that, to beef up the runtime of it. I'm incredibly honest. So plus I'm doing what the video entails, which is opening these bad boys. And I only got 6 more to go. So, gals and guys, that's what I'm doing here. Beefing up my video for monetization. Capitalism, baby. Capitalism. And I recommend, if you happen to make it through this entire video to this end, first off, you are the most awesome, spectacular person in the world. And second off, any questions, really anything, any video I could ever do as far as instructional things that maybe you can't find on YouTube, put them down in the comments. Reach out to me, comment. I love learning shit. I can't learn it all. I can't post every single thing that I learn. But I can certainly, if someone requested it, be more than happy, extremely happy to learn it and make a video of it. I'm a halfway intelligent person. I think so. I could probably figure it out. All right, I think I buffed up this video long enough to make it to 10 minutes. I don't usually do this, but I don't know. It's morning, I feel goofy, so why the hell not? All right, gals and guys, I'm pretty sure this is the end of the video. I'm pretty sure.